Okay, in this video, I hope to get all of the HTML done for our web page that we're trying to build here. So this is simply a heading, our main heading, H1. Then we need an input element and a button. We'll probably put those inside of a paragraph, right? They're on the same line here, so we'll put them inside of a paragraph. Then I've got my image, and then we've got this little section down here with a subheading. We could call this a heading, right? It's like a title, their name. So we'll do that as an H2, and then this can just be a paragraph. Okay, so there's not actually that much HTML in here. It's more the styling where we're going to do some more work. All right, so let's go with the H1 and the input and the button. Let's get that going first. So we already have that H1, Kung Fu Panda characters. After that, we'll do a paragraph, so P tag, and then Emmett can auto-complete the tags for us. Thank you. I'm going to hit enter here just to keep it a little more organized. We need an input element of type text. That's great. And then let's hit enter here, and on another line do a button. Now the spaces, hitting enter here doesn't matter. HTML ignores extra white space. I could do like a whole bunch of extra lines, and the input and the button will still be right beside each other. Okay, it ignores any extra enters or spaces or things like that. I think this said search. So let's just show you. And in fact, the prettier thing says, why did you put so many spaces? And it kind of compacts it for you. All right, so there we go. Heading, input, and search. So again, even though these aren't like right, I could put them beside each other like that. Put a single space between them, and it'll still look the same. Okay, so it doesn't matter. All right, actually, let's just leave it like that. That's fine. One line, that's not a big deal. Okay, hopefully this is big enough for you guys to see. Actually, you know what I'm going to do to make it easier too? I'm going to do that and close this. Make it a little bigger. Okay. After this, we're going to do our image. And we could do a straight image tag, but I like to put them in I like to put it in a paragraph. Just put the image inside a paragraph, makes it have its own line, and puts padding or margin on top and bottom and stuff like that by default. So we'll do that, and then we'll do our image. Again, I don't think I need to go separate lines, actually. I just need a single image tag in here. Now I will open this up because we want to go to our IMG folder, right? So index.html is here, so we need to look inside of the IMG folder, and we're going to go with PO. Cool. And then for here, I'm just going to say let's just say character image will be the alternative text. All right, after this, what do we have next? Oh yeah, our H2, and then another paragraph. Oh, hold on. Oh, I didn't save yet. That's why it doesn't show up yet. Well, let's just do this first. So we'll do our H2, we'll say PO, and then a paragraph where the quote is, buddy, I am the dragon warrior, exclamation mark. Okay, now we'll save that, go back to here. All right, there's our H1, our input element, our button, our image, our H2, and our quote. That's all the HTML we need. Well, there is something I'm going to show you later. In order to make we have to group this H2 and this paragraph together. So in order to group those, we're going to use something called a div. But we'll show you that more when we get into the styling. Okay, that's it for now. That's our HTML. Next one, we'll get to work on our CSS. Okay, hope that made sense. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.